Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful olive smoky eye. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, taking the shade Smooth Criminal and Secure, and I'm just going to be packing that all over my crease. And then after I pack it on, I'm just going to be blending it out a little bit, just slightly. Alright, so now I'm just taking the shade Access, and I'm going to be using that to blend out my crease. And now I'm just going back in with Smooth Criminal and Secure, just to make sure I get it how I'd like to. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking Top Secret in a blending brush and just making sure I blend it in there just so it could really diffuse the color that I have in the crease. And yeah, now I'm just going to go in with Top Secret and put it on top because this is going to be the main shade. I just wanted to make sure it was really nicely blended in there. Going back in with Top Secret, and I'm going to be applying that in my bottom lash line, making sure I bring it out with my eyeshadow from the top. Now I'm just going to be taking Smooth Criminal and applying that under. Just putting on my lashes. These are like some eBay lashes that I got. And now I'm just going to be applying mascara on my top lashes and also my bottom lashes. So now I'm going in with the shade Coin, and I'm going to be applying that in my inner corner just to make it pop. Alright, so now I'm just taking Vaseline for like these crusty ass lips before I go in with my liquid lipstick in the shade Toast. And yeah. Alright, so now I'm just taking this Sephora lip gloss, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lips. Alright you guys, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!